Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you very much for being here. This is Tech with Sekofi. This channel was created to provide tutorials about relevant softwares, and my recent videos have been focusing on mapping and GIS, specifically ArcGIS. Today's video will focus on how to download image from Google Earth Pro and georeference it in ArcGIS or ArcMap. Okay, so we have two approaches when it comes to this. We have the Microsoft Excel approach and the KML approach. This video will focus on the KML approach, while my next video will focus on the Microsoft Excel approach. So this is how the video is going to be. You see that I will open the Google Earth Pro software, download the image and the KML folder of my study area. Then after that, I will import it into ArcGIS or ArcMap and start doing the georeferencing. And this georeferencing will be done with the Arc Toolbox of the ArcMap software. So without wasting much time, let's start. Okay, so first of all, you have to open your Google Earth Pro, like I am doing. When it is open, look at the top left corner. You see that the search engine is there. Then you search for your study area. Do you get it? After searching for your study area, it will come like this. Maybe you are not interested in the whole area, so you can use the zoom in, zoom out pan at the top, at the right, top right over there, or your mouse to zoom to your perfection. Then at the top right corner, top left corner, you see that there is search. Under it we have places. Under places we have my places. You create a folder over there. Then within the folder, use the yellowish color over there, the place mark, to save 4 corner points, A, B, C, D. Make sure all these 4 points are saved within the folder you created. Do you get it? Like I am doing on the screen. When you are done creating the folder, you have to save the folder. Do you get it? So to save the folder, this is what you are going to do. You right click on the folder, then you go to save places. Then you look for a folder to save it in. The folder must be a folder that is already connected to your ArcGIS. If not, you will have to reconnect the folder before you do the mapping. So you save it within that folder. Then you see, now that's the KML. Now it's left with the image. Under the top tabs, you see that save image is there. Select it. Then with the map option, you uncheck everything, and under the resolution, you choose maximum. Then you click save. Then you look for the same folder you saved the KML file inside it. Then you look for the same folder, then you name the image, then you click save. Your internet connection will determine how fast the image will download. Do you get it? I hope you know your internet connection must be active before you can use Google Earth Pro. When you are done, then you open your ArcGIS. ArcGIS is open. Now I was fortunate to have my folder already connected, so I will look for that folder, the folder that I saved the image with inside it. So I'll go to ArcCatalog, then drag the image from that folder. You see the image? Yes. To do the georeferencing, you go to the Arc Toolbox. Arc Toolbox is the brownish color over there. Then you go to conversion to from KML to layer. In the first image icon, you look for the KML you saved. Do you get it? You look for it, then you select open. In the second image folder icon, you specify where you want it to be saved. This is very important because in ArcGIS, sometimes you do something and you are looking for the layer or the shapefile and you can't find it. When you are done, then you click OK. When it is done, you see that it will go and group at the top left corner. To resolve it, You go to table of contents, you right click it, and you select zoom to layer. The image is vanished. To bring the image back, go to the georeferencing toolbar and select fit to display. Now you are coming to connect the point A to A, B to B, C to C, D to D. But make sure you select the small alphabet before the big alphabet, or make sure you select your A before the A in the KML folder. I hope you are getting me. Yes, if you do the opposite, it will be wrong. Now you are done with your KML. Do you get it? So that is how you download image and georeference it.